Go to Timesheet application. Click on Admin. Go to Custom Fields. Here you can find 3 levels of custom fields. Timesheet row level, Timesheet details level, and Timesheet level. In each level, you can add 3 different custom fields. Let's add a row level custom field. Name it Location. Select List. Add the list items. Let's now add a detail level custom field. Name it Rate. Select Text. Next, add a timesheet level custom field. Name it Invoice ID. Select Text. Let's test it now. Try to create a new timesheet. Add the invoice ID. Select Location. Add 4 hours. Add notes. Add rate. Save the timesheet detail. Save the timesheet. Back to timesheet list screen. I hope this video is useful to understand timesheet custom fields. Have a great day.